Alright, so check this out, y'all. This is what they do in Hawaii. So we're going to do it out here a little bit. I guess this is what you call just stacking your dog for the hell of it. But you know, I know y'all probably used to not really dealing with real handlers and dealing with people that do this shit for a living. So I'm just going to come out and kind of just show you just how non-important this is. It really is impressive, I suppose, where you're from or Hawaii or whatever. But I'm going to let y'all know, like, when Bully the Kid is out here, like, I don't do a whole lot of stay and stack and pay attention and don't go here and saying his name a gazillion times, because where I'm from, where we show dogs for real, you know, I've been showing dogs for, I don't know, 10, 12, 14 years, you know what I'm saying? This right here, this is child play, but I'm going to show y'all how we do at the river, man. This is the GOAT, a.k.a. the greatest of all time, a.k.a. Cassius Clay. We stand in a random park right now, man. There's kids, there's everything. Any kind of distraction you want to mess with, there's that distraction. And if you think for a minute, you're going to come to New Jersey, Nationals Day, and do something to the kid, man, this is BTK, man, Bully the Kid. This is child's play for me, man. I do this junk just to play around. Like, we are sitting here at a park. I should have kids run up right now so y'all understand how serious it is, man. It's not even a game. Like, I don't have to do all that talk. I don't have to do all that lecturing. I don't have to do none of that, man. This is Cassius Clay, a.k.a. the greatest. You not understand me? The greatest of all time. If you want to play around and say, okay, you know what? I've been doing this for so long that I got to sit there and it's stay, look at me, focus. There's distractions. Yo, homie, I will go to New York City, Times Square. I will put this dog where I tell him to be and he will not move. Why? Why? Because I said so. Bully the Kid, Blue River. No games, man. It's no games. It's no games. You've never dealt with nobody like me before, man, because there is nobody like me. You understand me? I'm going to go the same amount of time as you went just so you understand the situation is real, man. This situation is real. The situation is real. You got a problem on your hands, Kaika. You got a real problem on your hands right now. You know what I'm saying? You got a problem on your hands. You know what I'm saying? There's a dog. It's just, hey, stay where you at. We don't play around at all. It's just not a game, son. Game over. Bully the Kid, the greatest of all time. Mess with me, man. Mess with me. It's just funny to me. It's funny to me that y'all all do this and y'all think it's impressive. To me, this right here, we do this with 5-week-old puppies, dude. This is a game. Bully the Kid, man, the greatest of all time. It goes down November 2nd, New Jersey, ABKC Nationals. Bully the Kid will be there. Will you be there, Kaika? 3 minutes. You said 5. I'm going to stop wasting time with my boy. We got things to do. You know what I'm saying? We got things to do today, man. Holla at your dude. I'll see you in New Jersey. This is not a game. This is for real. You got a problem, bruh. You got a problem, brother. You got a problem. This ain't Hawaii, Atlanta. Stand up. Let's go, ABKC. Fix this show. Cassius, let's go. Hup. Game time, baby. Game time, baby. Game time.